Hey everybody, I heard PSEC was celebrating 20 years. Congratulations. Um, I would say that everyone who's had the privilege of visiting the PSEC will say the same thing, and that is um, you make what could possibly be a complex subject so understandable. Really, the manuals come alive. I mean, it's one thing to read the manual and read the brochures. It's a totally different thing to walk up, touch the equipment, see how it's maintained, how it's programmed, how it's installed, how it operates, all those things live. I don't know that you can duplicate that with even watching videos, although your videos are awesome too, no question about that. In fact, I finally remember being up there, teaching some of those classes. They're called the Power Up now, with those early career engineers, and actually some not so early career. But just understanding how the products work and seeing them live. In fact, after I retired back in 2022, I started my consulting business, but I've been doing part-time teaching on the side, and I brought a class up, my electrical engineering students, and they, at the end of the class review of the course, every single student made reference to the PSEC and how they completely understood it. It made the theory come alive, and that's what it does. So anyway, congratulations on 20 years, and here's to 20 more years.